Good morning, goeiemorgen Dumelang. We have struck gold, guys. Gold and silver. Well, it's actually silver, but it is gold. It looks gold and it's gold plated, but guess what? Huge win for the journey. We're one step closer to trading a tablet up to a car, from a tablet up to a car. So we bought this. It is actually silver, guys. So we bought this for 3,000 Rand and we sold it just now. Money is in the bank, no cash ever, guys. 13,800 Rand. So what a win, what a win, what a win. I'm so grateful. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to the buyer, John Hammer. He's connected in the gold industry. He sorted me out quickly. It's what a pleasure doing business with these guys. So thank you, John. I appreciate you. Thank you for all your help and your trouble and your time. I appreciate it. Even though it was a very quick deal, working with these guys, it's quick and easy. So yes, huge win for the journey. And then I've already lined up something else to buy. We're going to buy things now, guys. It's going to go quickly. I just bought another graphics card for RTX 3060 for 3,800 Rand. I've already got a buyer for 4,500 Rand. So things are moving. So let's go. The balance now, I know everyone wants to know the balance. We're probably now about, I haven't paid for the GPU yet, but I've already lined up the buyer. We're gonna be at about, after everything, about 18,000 Rand. Then the point of sale still needs to go out. I just need to load it. Got to go pick up a printer, go collect the scanner. That is from another guy, and then I'm going to put on some markup on there. Elvis is the buyer. I'm excited for you. It's gonna help you a lot. So thank you, guys. Thank you for the following, for the journey, for all those messages, en vir al julle wat vir my so in persoon sê, dis baie oulik en baie mooi wat jy doen. Gee 'n bietjie 'n like, man, skryf 'n comment. Dit gaan jou nie seermaak nie. Ek's nie om geld te maak nie. Hier is sommer net vir die pret, boys. Maar baie dankie vir almal. I appreciate you guys. Kelly Buila Alundati. Tsatsile Monati. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.